Question 5, part A. W equals 3x plus 4y. Work out the value of w when x is 2. So x is going to become 2. And y is 6. So y is going to become 6. So you're going to substitute these numbers into that formula. And then you're going to work out what w is afterwards. So this 3x here is the same as 3 times x. But we know x is 2. So it's going to be 3 times 2. And this 4y is the same as 4 times y, which is going to be a 4 times 6, and we have a plus sign in between it. You're then going to end up with 6 plus 24, which is going to give us a final answer of 30. So w is 30. Part B, simplify. M times n times 7. Whenever you're multiplying terms or values together, if they're similar in the sense of if you had more than one m, they could mix using your laws of indices. If they had more than one number multiplying together, that could mix to create a new number. For example, 7 times 2 is 14. And in this case, none of those things match. And when things don't match and you're multiplying them together, you just write them out stuck together. So 7mn is the fully simplified version of that. Part 2. 12y to the power of 4 divided by 2. The part here that can simplify is the 12 divided by 2, which when you do that, you get the answer 6. However, you can't just write the 6 there because this wasn't just a fraction 12 over 2. It was 12 over 2 times y to the power of 4, so that y to the power of 4 is still there. Part 3. 7g, take away 10h, plus 2g, plus 4h. Adding and subtracting terms, you can only add or subtract things that are like each other. So that 7g and that plus 2g, they're going to add together. And that minus 10h plus 4h, they're going to add together. So when we take 7g and we add 2g, we end up with 9g. And when we take a negative 10h plus 4h, you're going to end up with a negative 6h, which has the appearance here of just basically being taken away. Part C, multiply out 3 lots of, in a bracket, 2t minus 4. That 3 lots of is basically 3 times. So you're going to end up with 3 times this value here and 3 times this value here. 3 times 2t is 6t, and 3 times a negative 4 is negative 12. Done.